lasagna, baked macaroni, carbonara at spaghetti. Ilan lamang yan sa mga pasta dishes na siguradong paborito ng marami sa atin. Alam nyo ba na karamihan sa mga restaurant na nagsaserve ng pasta ay hindi gumagamit ng instant noodles na karaniwan nating ginagamit sa ating mga tahanan? Isa na dyan ang pasta house na ito, kung saan ang kanilang hinahain, fresh pasta.
I could say that we are the first casual restaurant in the Philippines who's offering all fresh pastas within our dishes, no box pastas here.
Both we love pasta, and actually we love fresh pasta. And the difference with this restaurant, our pasta is rolled fresh by order. And so this is allowed the pasta to be more tasty, more al dente, more cooked uniformly, especially for ravioli and stuffed pasta. So if you dry the pasta, especially with this climate, because you don't have a proper dry environment, the pasta can dry differently. So doing fresh, rolling the pasta fresh, allow the pasta to cook less, in less time, absorb less water, to be more digestible as well.
Could, aside from us using in our regular a la carte menu all fresh pastas, you can also buy here for takeaway, you know, so that you could use fresh pasta in the comforts of your home. So here you could, we have some variations. So we do a lot of shapes and sizes of the fresh pastas. So we could do tagliatelle or fettuccine. We can do farfalle. Our thinnest kind of pasta, fresh pasta, is tagliolini. You can also order ravioli, fresh ravioli. We can also do that. And then in different kinds of flavors. So it could be plain, it could be basil, it could be the flavor would be squid ink. So as long as the ingredients are available, and then usually for this one we also require the guest to order in advance, especially if it's bulk orders. Here we want to introduce you the best signature dishes of the restaurant. We prepared 5 signature dishes which usually the guests order in the restaurant. So my husband will be the one to tell you more about it.
So we start with the appetizer. The first one is the octopus carpaccio. Basically, it's an octopus braised for a long time and after cut very thin slice and served with a lemon dressing, semi-dry tomato and arugula salad. The second one is our buffalo mozzarella imported from Italy, served with the tomato, olive, basil pesto, and mixed lettuce of arugula salad. Our next signature dish is squid ink tagliolini, served with the seafood marinara and tomato basically, and a little bit of cream sauce, fresh basil, and that's it. One of the best seller basically from the start of when we opened the restaurant is the organic ace tagliolini with portobello mushroom, touch of cream, porcini dust and truffle oil. This one is a creation with veal cheeks, braised veal cheeks, chicken egg yolk raviolo. So when you cut the raviolo, you will have the running of the egg yolk out, mixing with creamy mashed potato and caper butter sauce.
Sadyang hindi matatawaran ang kalidad at sarap ng mga pagkaing hinahain dito. Katunayan, tinanghal ang pasta house na ito bilang 2012 Best Restaurant.
We are very proud to achieve in so short time this goal. We didn't expect that, but still we are not reaching the top where we want to be, because our big award is to make all our customers happy, and this is the most difficult job. To get an award is fine, just to keep the award, to make all the customers coming inside in the restaurant, this is the challenge.
O, diba? Talaga namang hindi basta-bastang pasta dish ang matitikman dito. Kaya naman ayain nyo na ang inyong pasta buddy at sama-samang matakam at mabusog sa award-winning pasta house na ito.